Hi, my name is Kate, and every once in a while, a product comes along that really makes a difference in the life of a parent like myself. I want to introduce to you...
For all you parents with toddlers and preschoolers, I'd like to introduce you to the Codelia Footrest Organizer for car seats. This is probably a very familiar scene for many of you. How would you like it if you had to sit and behave for a long drive with your feet dangling, having nowhere to rest them? And this only gets worse for them as they grow taller. Codelia Footrest Organizers are designed for your child's comfort and to keep your car clean. It comes in charcoal gray or teal. This product was invented by a parent just like you and me. With decades of experience in making bags and luggage, Codelia's designers went through countless trials and errors to come up with this amazing gift to parents. It's very simple to install. Just run the connecting strap around the base of the car seat and snap. Attach the footrest by 2 buckles. The waterproof and stain-resistant fabric makes it super easy to clean. The organizer's top cover is secured with Velcro. It opens from both sides, and it's easy for your kids to access. Of course, remembering what you put where is another story. If you want dibs on one of the first Codelia Footrest Organizers to roll off our production line, please back us on our Kickstarter campaign to get one for both yourself and your kid. I don't know when another amazing product will come along to make our life a little easier, but we're going to enjoy this one while our kids are still kids.